Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making cornbread. In my bowl I'm going to beat together eggs, and double cream. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together flour, corn flour, and baking powder. And I'm going to add in caster sugar, and finally I'm going to add in butter and rub it together until it forms breadcrumbs. I'm now going to mix in my egg, cream and milk mixture. I'm now going to take my cake mixture and place it into my cake tin. I have preheated my fan oven to 200 degrees. I'm now going to bake it in the centre of the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until a skewer inserted into the centre of the cake comes out clean. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.